I'll be discussing Module 4, Feedback Mechanisms and Social Listening. This module is intended for all key target groups who will play a crucial role in engaging the public, receiving and responding to the concerns, and communicating about the COVID-19 vaccines. And this will cover, as I've mentioned, the social listening mechanisms that will be used to determine the perceptions and issues on the ground, to gather and properly utilize feedback, and to inform communication strategies and messaging regarding the vaccines. By the end of this module, you, the participant, should be able to describe how the available social listening tools will influence policies and strategies for demand generation, enumerate and discuss the social listening tools to be used and the corresponding feedback and reporting mechanisms for this, and to describe the manner by which the relevant and critical issues of concerns arising from the public feedback will be addressed. So, what is social listening? Social listening is the process of determining and monitoring the concerns and conversations to understand what people are saying about the current topics or issues, such as on COVID-19 vaccine. It is actually a crucial component of the health information systems as it generates appropriate, reliable, and evidence-based data which can influence policy directions, communication strategies, and operational plans. So why is social listening important for demand generation and communications? Social listening will allow the COVID-19 vaccine communication team to prioritize and to evaluate the feedback from the different sources of information in order to create the messages with relevant content for the target audiences. Through this, the communication can be adjusted based on the trends and continuously shift the strategies to fit the current needs of the target audiences. Social listening activities will generate insights and recommendations that will guide the development of the policies, development, deployment plans, creation and dissemination of frequently asked questions and other communication materials regarding COVID-19 vaccines and the overall COVID-19 vaccine deployment plan and strategies. There are several social listening tools that will be utilized to continuously and regularly monitor the willingness, acceptance, and perceptions of the general population, specific sectors, in the specific geographic areas. Next slide. So for the general population, media and social media sentiment monitoring of the different news articles, reports, clippings, and social media will be done regularly. Other social listening tools for the general population include the Kira chatbot and the COVID-19 emergency hotline. The Kira chatbot is a platform with question and answer features which you can access on Viber at Kira Contra COVID by DOH and on Facebook Messenger of the Department of Health. The COVID-19 emergency hotline or 02894 COVID or 02894 26843 and 1555 was launched by the Department of Health in partnership with the DILG National Emergency Hotline and PLDT's wireless subsidiary, the Smart Communications Incorporated. Through the hotline, the callers can ask any COVID-19 related questions, including those on COVID-19 vaccines, and they can receive answers in real time. Social listening tools for the specific sectors include monthly online sectoral surveys, regular focus group discussions, and regular dialogues or town hall meetings. The goal of these activities is to determine the concerns, perceptions, or opinions of the different sectors, especially those which have been identified as priorities for the first phase of vaccine deployment, as mentioned in our previous modules. As vaccine deployment continues, the social listening will also include other sectors. The Department of Health is actually currently conducting monthly sectoral survey that can be accessed through bit.ly/COVID vaccine survey PH. Members of the different priority sectors are highly encouraged to participate in this monthly survey. Geographic-based social listening activities shall be carried out by the members of the Local Vaccine Operation Center or task group and coordinated and overseen by the CHD or the regional HEPOs. The different social listening tools for the specific geographic areas are community events, the COVID-19 vaccine online survey for the healthcare workers, and the COVID-19 vaccine provincial face-to-face survey for the general adult population. The local vaccine operation center or task groups are highly encouraged, as mentioned a while ago in the previous module by Dr. Hizon, to organize and to conduct community events such as community assemblies, town hall meetings, or community engagement activities for COVID-19 vaccination. The local, the local VOC or task groups shall gather and take note of the relevant queries and concern of their communities and localities and shall respond appropriately to these concerns. What then are the relevant queries and concerns? So these are issues or concerns that are recurring and reported repeatedly in your areas or localities, unverified or unreliable reports not supported by the official DOH and PIA communications and frequently asked questions, and questions which cannot be answered at their level due to the lack of available or sufficient information. Feedback containing, go back, sorry, okay. Feedback containing these noted concerns shall be given by the local VOCs or task groups to their CHD or regional HEPO's counterpart weekly starting in February 2021. In addition, the number of attendees. Okay, so this is the regional reporting tool that I was talking about. This is the our regional HEPOs shall click on this URL, and they will have to click here the relevant concerns or queries, and then they will submit this weekly. In addition, the number of attendees, the number of community events conducted, and other important details identified in the micro plan as previously discussed by Dr. Kizan a while ago shall be reported as well for the bi-monthly reporting. On the other hand, so the CHD, as I've mentioned, the CHD regional HEPOs are also responsible for communicating with their respective or local VOCs or task group to establish communication channels na I know we are already existing or any existing social media groups that you have to receive the weekly feedback. So they shall then identify and consolidate all the relevant queries and concerns gathered at the local levels using the same criteria enumerated above and submit the weekly reporting tool for regional HEPOs, which can be accessed through this link that I was mentioning. So this should be accomplished every Friday and be submitted online to the National Social Listening Team. So the regional HEPOs or the regional task group, regional VOC, should be the one to accomplish this tool. But the local task group should feedback all the relevant concerns to the regional HEPOs. So the second social listening tool for the specific geographic area is the COVID-19 Vaccine Online Healthcare Worker Survey. This is conducted every fourth week of the month. The CHT or the regional HEPOs shall disseminate the online survey to more than 345 healthcare workers in the respective regions with the assistance of the local VOCs or task groups in their own localities as well. The COVID-19 vaccine provincial survey for the general adult population shall be undertaken by the local VOCs or task group through face-to-face data gathering, online encoding and submission of data for more than 500 adult respondents in their respective provinces or independent cities. They shall give regular feedback and updates on the survey status to their CHD or regional HEPOs, which oversee and coordinate the face-to-face survey dissemination and data gathering activities. And they shall in turn provide regular feedback and update to the National Social Listening Team. This survey will be conducted every 6 months with the first round to commence by March 2021. So for feedback mechanisms, the CHD and regional task groups are asked to conduct regular dialogues and to set up communication channels with their local counterparts, who in turn are also encouraged to conduct regular community engagement and social listening activities in their respective communities. So as I've mentioned, the regional HEPOs will be asked to submit their consolidated weekly report of relevant queries or concerns, and these relevant concerns will be raised to the National Task Group on Demand Generation and Communication in order to make appropriate actions such as guiding and creation of the communication materials and informing other COVID-19 vaccine task group. The National Task Group in turn will provide regular feedback to the regional HEPOs for continuous dialogues and engagement. And with that, thank you very much.
Tara sa Vida Nation!